Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. First of all, I am going to open the properties of my PC by clicking on this icon of this PC. You see only one drive is available to see you, that is C drive, and which is SSD. Now before this one I have one HDD drive on my laptop which has a capacity of 500 GB. To boost up the speed of my laptop, I have replaced HDD with the SSD. At the beginning, both drives are visible on this screen, but after some time, only this local disk is, which is SSD, is seenable, but the other is not. So, in this video, I am going to show you how can you recover this your second HDD disk which is using as a storage device. So to check this one, I am going to write here first of all device manager and click on this device manager. After clicking on this, you will see that here I have an option disk driver. Click on this icon and you will find there are two drives. One is SSD that is newly installed, and HDSD, this is the old one which has been replaced by the SSD. Let's check this either it is working properly or not. Select this one and right click of your mouse and click on properties. See the device is working properly. You can check other properties of this device, volumes, drivers, details, but main thing is this device is working properly. If the device is working properly, then why is it not showing here? Why not is showing here? So I am going to solve this issue for you. So I am going to be cancel this one and also this one window. Again I am going to write here partition. As you write only PRT, again you will find create and format hard disk partition icon here. Click on this one. As you click on this one, disk management window is open in front of you. Look at this one. You have only 3 disks in one portion of this window, and in this one there is 698.64 GB is available, but it's unallocated. Means this is a reason that we are not going to system is not going to allocate this one. As a result, it is not showing here. So how can I am going to be make it allocated? Select this one, right click and select the first option, new simple volume. So click on the next. This is the window that is appear in front of you. Don't touch anything here, keep it as it is as kept by the default. So click on next. So you can write his other name. I will choose this one E, and you can choose anyone from this list and don't touch anything and click on next. And again all the things keep as it is as set by default, and you have a chance to relabel your drive here. So I will put here my data. After that I will click on next button as it is near to be finished. As I click finish, it will be finished. Now formatting start here. It is very important to know that if you have a data in this HDD drive, please first make the backup of all this data, then go this process. So you see that my data has been appear here with allocation. So let's see either it is available in my PC properties or not. I am going to minimize it and see here it is available. So I am going to open this one. See, it is easily open. Now it's showing with zero data because it has been formatted. So I hope you will find this solution useful. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.